Now we are going to take case number 4. Case number 4. Issue at par but redemption at premium. Redemption at premium. इश्यू तो हमने पार पे किए हैं और इनको रिडीम किस चीज पे करेंगे, हम प्रीमियम पे करेंगे. Let us take one example, sir. 1000 10% debenture of 100 each issued at par but to be redeemed at a premium of 10%. इश्यू एट पार 100 का डिबेंचर 100 में इशू किया है और रिडीम किस पे करना है, प्रीमियम पर, मतलब 10% एक्स्ट्रा पैसा देना है. तो लेट अस पास इशू एंट्री सर. एज यूजुअल बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू 10% डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट. अगेन 1 lakh 1000 डिबेंचर ऑफ 100 each. नेक्स्ट एंट्री 10% डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट to 10% debenture 1 lakh. This is our issue entry. Now a certain change will come over here. What is that change? As we know, my dear friends, these debentures are to be redeemed at a premium of 10%. इन डिबेंचरों को 10% प्रीमियम पर रिडीम करना है. मीन्स अगर इनको हम चाहे 2 साल बाद पेड करें चाहे 4 साल बाद पेड करें, 10% एक्स्ट्रा पैसा देना है. तो when we will redeem this debenture at 10% premium, whether after 4 years or whether after 5 years, you tell me, is it loss or not in future? क्या ये 10% प्रीमियम जो हमने एक्स्ट्रा देना है, क्या ये हमारा लॉस नहीं है फ्यूचर में? Yes, it is loss for us in future. ये फ्यूचर में हमारा लॉस होने वाला है. तो I hope you know everybody, accountancy rule of prudence. Rule of prudence. What the rule of prudence says that कि in future if you feel that certain expenses or losses are to be occurred, कुछ नुकसान भविष्य में होने ही होने हैं, तो we have to make provision today. इसीलिए हम provision for bad debts बनाते हैं, इसीलिए हम provision for depreciation बनाते हैं. और आज ही हमें पता लग गया, आज हमने ये डिबेंचर इशू किए हैं, मान लो इनको रिडम्पशन करना है आफ्टर 5 years. आफ्टर 5 years we have to redeem them. 100 रुपए का डिबेंचर आज 100 में इशू किया है, लेकिन 5 साल बाद एक डिबेंचर के 100 के बदले में 110 देने हैं. तो टुडे ओनली वी नो दैट कि आफ्टर 5 years देयर विल बी एक्स्ट्रा 10 rupees लॉस विद पर डिबेंचर. वी नो वेरी वेल. तो वी हैव टू मेक प्रोविजन फॉर दैट. तो फॉर इट वी विल क्रेडिट टू प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर, टू प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर 10,000 rupees. 1000 into 10, 10,000 रुपए का हमने ये प्रोविजन बना लिया. तो क्वेश्चन अराइज, व्हाई आई क्रेडिटेड इट, मैंने इसको क्रेडिट क्यों किया है? बिकॉज इट इज लायबिलिटी. दिस लायबिलिटी इज टुवर्ड्स द लॉस व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी हैपन इन फ्यूचर. ये लायबिलिटी उस लॉस के लिए है जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, माय नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हियर ओनली. नाउ आई एम मेकिंग दिस प्रोविजन. कैन यू टेल मी फ्रॉम वेयर वी मेक प्रोविजन? हम प्रोविजन बनाते कहां से हैं? I think your answer should be from profit and loss. ये सारे provision profit and loss से बनते हैं. तो when we are creating these provision from our profit and loss, is it our income or loss for that year? उस साल के लिए जिसमें हमने ये provision बनाया है, आज हमने ये 10,000 का provision बनाया है, तो इस साल में हमारा ये profit है या loss है? I think it is loss. That's why loss on issue of debenture. Loss on issue of debenture 10,000 रुपए, 10,000 रुपए. So this is the new entry which we are passing when debentures are to be redeemed in future at 10% premium. When we know that we have to pay our debentures amount in future at premium, to my dear, we will credit this premium provision. We are creating this provision. It is our liability. This premium on redemption should not be confused with security premium. इस प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन को इसके साथ कंपेयर नहीं करना. It is issue at premium. It is our profit. But this premium provision is which is to be paid in future. और ये प्रोविजन इस साल के प्रॉफिट में से बनेगा 10,000 रुपए, इस साल का प्रॉफिट हमारा कम हो जाएगा, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डेबिटिंग लॉस ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर। तो दिस इज आवर इशू एंट्री। नाउ लेट अस पास रिडम्पशन एंट्री। 10% debenture account debit. Now this provision which was created 5 years before, now this liability is over, now we are going to debit it. Premium on redemption of debenture account debit to debenture holder account. 1 lakh rupees debenture, 10,000 rupees provision which was created over here, and total amount to be paid is 1,10,000. And the last entry is debenture holder account debit to bank account 1,10,000, 1,10,000. So this is very important topic, issue at par and redemption at premium. Last case, my dear friends. Let us pass the entry for last case. Issue at premium, issue at premium and issue at discount and redemption at premium. डिस्काउंट पर इशू करना और प्रीमियम पर उनको रिडम्पशन करना। लेट अस टेक दिस सेम एग्जांपल। 1000 10% डिबेंचर of 100 each issued at a premium of 10%, at a premium of 10%, at a discount of 10%, at a discount of 10%। 1000 डिबेंचर इशू किए हैं, 100 रुपए का है 10% डिस्काउंट पे, टू बी रिडीम एट 10% प्रीमियम। इफ यू सी केयरफुली, हियर वी आर इन डबल लॉस, हमारे यहाँ डबल लॉस है। कैसे है? इशू तो हमने किस पे किया है? डिस्काउंट पे, और रिडीम किस पे करेंगे? प्रीमियम पे। तो इशू पे भी लॉस हो गया और रिडम्पशन पे भी लॉस होगा। लेट अस पास एंट्री सर। फर्स्ट एंट्री इज एज यूजुअल, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन। Here instead of 1 lakh, how much money will come? 90,000 because 10% discount. Here entry will be 1,000 debentures into 90 each. I think you understood. Next entry, 10% debenture application and allotment account debit to 10% debenture. Here it is 90,000. Here it is 1 lakh. Here it is 1 lakh. And discount on debenture, how much amount? 10,000. ये तो हमारी इशू एंट्री हो गई सर, समझ में आ गया होगा सभी को। Now we will consider redemption premium. This is the loss which is going to be happen in future. So we are making provision. Just I told in my previous example, premium on redemption of debenture, how much amount? 10,000 rupees. And here loss on issue of debenture 10,000 rupees. This entry we are going to pass. Now see, this discount is also loss for us, this is also loss for us. So what we can do my dear, हम यहाँ क्या कर सकते हैं? इस डिस्काउंट को यहाँ डेबिट न करके what we can do together, we can write here loss on issue of debenture. कितने रुपए सर? 20,000 रुपए। लॉस ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर 20,000 रुपए। एंड दिस एंट्री विल रिमेन सेम, 10% डिबेंचर अकाउंट डेबिट, प्रीमियम और रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर होल्डर 1,10,000 and 1,10,000, and the last entry is debenture holder account debit to bank account. So these were 4 different methods in which we will be passing the entry at the time of issue by taking care redemption at premium. Let us do one illustration. We will do one illustration now, and the illustration is illustration number 27. Beta Limited issued 5,000 debentures, 5,000 9% debenture of 500 each. 500 each. In following cases, first case, debentures are issued at 10% premium and redeemable at par. Sir, issued at premium. Let us pass entry, sir. Bank account debit to 9% debenture application and allotment. So 5,000 into 550, 500 रुपए का एक है, 10% प्रीमियम है, 550 रुपए हो गए सर। तो ये आपका अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा? नाउ दिस अमाउंट विल बी 27,50,000 with including premium. Next entry, 9% debenture application and allotment account debit to 9% debentures and 2 security premium, because this premium is at the time of issue. 27,50,000, here 25 lakh and here 2,50,000. And redeemable at par. Very simple, sir. Redeemable at par. 9% debenture account debit to debenture holder, 25 lakh. Debenture holder account debit to bank account, 25 lakh. I think clear? Now let us take the second case, sir. The second case says that issue at par and redemption at premium. Issued at par, redemption at 10% premium. Very simple, dear. First entry, bank account debit to 9% debenture and allotment 5,000 into 500, 25 lakh. Next entry, debenture application and allotment account debit to 9% debenture, 25 lakh. Issue at par. Now redeemable at 10% premium. So this will be our loss in future. So for this we are making provision today. Our entry will be to premium on redemption of debenture account debit. How much premium we are supposed to pay? 10%. So 2,50,000. And for this provision we will be creating this provision for profit and loss. That's why loss on issue of debenture 2,50,000. Right? And this entry redemption 9% debenture account debit, premium on redemption of debenture account debit to debenture holder, 25 lakh, 2.50 lakh, total become 27.50 lakh, and debenture holder to this 27,50,000. The issue at par, redeemable at premium. So in this way you will be attempting these sums, my dear friends. Only we will do one more sum for this topic, then this topic will be over. Now the topic says that a company, illustration number 29, fast computers issuing 20 lakh 6% debenture of 100 each at 4% discount, redeemable at 5% premium, application 50 rupees, balance on allotment. Let us pass entry, sir. Application 50 है तो allotment के भी कितने रहे? 50 रुपए रहे, right? तो first entry, bank account debit to 6% debenture application issued at 4% discount. It means 20 lakh debenture into 96. This amount will be coming over here 20, sorry, not 96, 20 lakh into 50. We have here application and we have here allotment. And if you remember, I told at the time of issue of share, in absence of any information, premium or discount is to be taken at the time of allotment. यहाँ भी same condition चलेगी. Here is not written कि discount or premium is on application or allotment. So we will be taking it at the time of allotment. So 20 lakh into 50. We will write the amount here 20 lakh into 50. Next entry, 6% debenture, application account debit to 6% debenture. 20 lakh into 50 and 20 lakh debenture into 50. Future premium which is to be paid in future will not be considered in application entry. That all we will pass at the time of allotment entry. How? Let us see, sir. 6% debenture allotment account debit to 6% debenture, and here double loss is there. Loss on issue of debenture. Double loss. How double loss? One loss is discount at the time of issue and another loss is premium on redemption. Double loss है सर हमारा ये. That's why here discount is 20 lakh into 4. 20 लाख डिवेंचर 4 रुपए का 4% बोला था, 100 रुपए पे 4 रुपए हो गया. और ये हो गया सर 20 लाख into 5% है सर. 5% हो गया 5 रुपए. तो ये दोनों इसमें आ जाएंगे. Here it will be there 20 lakh into 46. Here it will be sir 20 lakh into 50. And now to premium on redemption of debenture 20 lakh into 5. And in this loss on issue of debenture, one is discount loss 20 lakh into 4 and one is this loss 20 lakh into 5. So today this was your topic which is known as issue of debenture from redemption point of view. I hope the doubt is clear. Thank you very much.